Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama Kawaba Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can which a video. Mema rem subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me a notification bell no. Say the video be a better on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And if you want to buy Ghana light soup, all ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box now. Ingredients in now. Yes, that's it. Where your carrot, onion, pepper, would be good saucepan, na din so agum, na de akosi jar so anoa. Ebi ana wa twe na wa hwie hu nsuo no. Now de agu ade ba blend mu. Now the sugar cregu no wa blend. We wan dey see nchen. E meat na ebe use no. Be season e beef season. Kotodwen de medical no adeda isan se eyeden. Salt to taste. All pepper season. Chop onion. The all purpose wet vegetable season. O person won time here na. We check the description box na. Link ne da ho. We are not the tomato paste aka ho. The mix stock na wo no aye no egu ho. Ba woni bia betime use ensuo. Menu a kotodwen ase na ye den. Te hu nsuo ni na me de den. Me di gu mu no. The fresh tomatoes egu mu. Blended onion. We are not mixing it all together. Not the cozy jar so I'm an estima. Oh, no be so. No one mixing it all together. Na tomatoes no abia na we aqua blended. And now the blended carrot mixture na begum. Now the enso so eden aka ho. Enso ni jan kwandodro a wo ye. One mixing na together. Na wa garnishing with okro ni pepper. Ba woni bia on fa bi eden enka ho. We just sukwesta mebebe ba wo hwa na wahwe. The blended tomatoes na begum. Obelo jana kakra na ato ne boede aben. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Akakra na aben. Aben na wa serve. Yep, matcho send the kan a wo hwe video a. Mema rem so subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. No me notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa won sabeka. Now this our Ghana light soup. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.